Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you stumbled across this video, what I'm trying to bring you today is the install of the smart plug on my boat. My old shore power plug melted and shorted out and became no good, so it was time to change out. I decided to look towards the smart plug. Everything I'd heard about it was amazing, so I've installed it, and I'm just bringing you the video of the install today. I've condensed it as much as I can, super fast, so check it out. But first, I'd like you to click right about there and subscribe, because I'm going to bring you my full review of my thoughts on the install process, as well as the effectiveness of what is the smart plug in an upcoming video. So let's get the show on the road. Hey guys, Mike again, checking in. Mentioned before we're gonna fix the shore power thing. Shore power plug? I don't know the technical name for it. Don't really care. But it shorted out. It was all melty. I got the new smart plug, which we're gonna try and see how it works out. So come with me. We'll get this going. So far, that's my crotch. Well, so far, this is like the only thing that's ever gone together the way it's supposed to, short of anything on my German car. I'm gonna go to the cord end, but I'm not gonna bore you with that.